Good morning, Klamath County. Jennifer Little here from the Public Health Department, and I'd like to talk to you today about contact tracing, what it means, and why it's important. So contact tracing means when someone tests positive for COVID-19, we conduct an investigation. So we talk to that person and we figure out what their risks are and also who they've been in contact with. And then what happens is the contact tracing. So we contact the people that they have been exposed to. And what that means is if someone who tests positive for COVID has been within 6 feet of someone for 15 minutes or more, they are considered a contact. We then call those people and we ask them to quarantine for at least 10 days, but often it's 14 days. And they are then asked to stay away from others because we don't want them to inadvertently affect other people around them. It's important that you answer the call when we do call you for contact tracing because we don't want you to inadvertently infect someone else. In addition, we are very, very concerned with your privacy. So the information that you give us will not be shared with anyone else. We don't share it with your employer. We don't share it with your other family members. The only time that information is shared is when you share it or you ask us to share it. Some of the information that you may be asked to give would be things like your date of birth, if you have any risk factors, so do you have any chronic conditions, and we ask some of your contact information and what your occupation is. We would never ask you something like, what's your social security number, or what's your bank account number, or what's a password to something. So if you get those kind of questions, it's probably a scam. You should hang up and you can call the Public Health Department.